In this video, I am going to show you how you can add your custom-made skies to Luminar AI. If you haven't watched my video on how to replace the sky in Luminar AI, please watch it. I have provided the link in the description below. So, without losing any more time, let's quickly start the video. Add the image you want to work on by clicking on this plus icon. Then click on the Edit tab. Scroll down to come to this creative section where you will find Sky AI. Click to expand the tool. In two ways you can add your own custom skies in Sky AI. Click on Sky Selection, then click on this drop-down menu to find Custom Skies. As you click, it opens the Custom Sky folder of Luminar in the System folder. You just have to move your skies inside this folder. That's it. Your skies will be automatically loaded under the Sky selection. To remove them, just delete the files from the folder. You can also add more skies by using this add option. Mind it, in this method, you can add one sky at a time. The image format it supports is JPEG, PNG, and TIFF. Whatever sky image you add by this method, ultimately, it's going to save in the custom sky folder of Luminar. Hope you like this video. If you are interested to know how you can create a natural bokeh effect in Luminar AI, then click on this link, and I will see you in my next video.